Let's do this for Bigtoe! Bigtoe for life!
Check them out, they wouldn't expect it.
All right, they're coming. All right! I got that on video. All right.
Yeah, YouTube!
All right. Wait, they're green. They're green.
All right. Sorry. This is looking really good.
Yeah.
We got a really good defense.
I can't tell who's green. These guys are running.
Everyone's green.
I know, but nobody has enough green on. We need two really. Heads up, back up. He's right there. Watch out, keep going, get out. Oh yeah, plucking these guys off like ducks on a pond right here. Oh dude, come on, I shot you. Don't come this way, He's firing right through. Don't come this way, dude. Come on, you're out. I got him. Watch that hallway, dude, watch that hallway. This is boring.
Yeah.
But at least we're stopping them. Hurrah, green team! Good job! Yo, did they get anything?
We can just take them out one by one. We don't even have to get the double. No, we should just do that.
Yeah.
Everybody's trying to get the duffel bag.
All right, green team, you have unlimited lives. Head to close sport.
Yo, green team!
Let's go, guys!
Good job, green team!
What's your channel?
TeamBlackHawk7?
Awesome.
Awesome, thanks, man. It's fun, a lot of fun. I like this one. Huh? I like this one. Yeah, well, this will be a lot better on this side. What's cool, I got 3 grenades, so when we get around to the sport, we just get all of them at once.
Give me a shout out on your video.
Yo, what's up? Yeah. AOR operators. Awesome. Who that?
Make yourself off the wall.
Sweet.
You can look at the